Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 9, sequence and series. So first we'll understand what is sequence. A function whose domain is n is called a sequence. Then nth term. If a function is defined from n to r is a sequence, then f of n is called the nth term. Sequence having codomain n, z or r is called a sequence of natural number. Then is series. What is series? Let a1, a2, a3 up to an be a given sequence. Then the sequence a1 plus a2, a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to a1 plus a2 up to an is called a series. Next is arithmetic progression. A sequence f defined from n to r. F of n is an plus b, where a, b belongs to r, a is not equal to 0 is called the arithmetic progression. If the first term of the sequence f of n is a and the difference of the two successive term is d, that is not equal to 0, then f of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d for every n belongs to n. Arithmetic series. A series corresponding to an AP is called arithmetic series. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then twice the middle term equal to sum of the first and the last term, that is 2B equal to A plus C. Now, we'll start with the exercise sum. In that first question is to find any term of the sequence from given nth term of a sequence. In that first question is write down the first 5 terms of the following sequence. F of n is 3n plus 1. So we'll take n equal to 1. So f of 1 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 4. If I take n equal to 2, f of 2 is 3 into 2 plus 1 is 7. n equal to 3, f of 3 is 3 into 3 plus 1 is 10. n equal to 4, f of 4 is 3 into 4 plus 1 equal to 13. n equal to 5 is f of 5 equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 is 16. Right? So f of n, next question is f of n is n minus 1 raised to n divided by 2. Again we'll keep on taking the value of n from 1 to 5 and we'll find the value. So let's start. N equal to 1. f of 1 is 1 minus 1 raised to 1 divided by 2 is 1, because 1 plus 1 will give 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. n equal to 2, f of 2 is 2 minus 1 the whole square upon 2. 2 plus this will minus 1 the whole square is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. n equal to 3, f of 3 is 3 minus 1 the whole cube upon 2 is 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is 2. n equal to 4, f of 4 is 4 minus 1 raised to 4 upon 2. So answer we get is 4 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. n equal to 5, f of 5 is 5 minus 1 raised to 5 by 2 is 5 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 3. Next question is f of n equal to nth prime number. So for n equal to 1, f of 1 is the first prime number, that is 2. n equal to 2, f of 2 is the second prime number, that is 3. n equal to 3 is f of 3 is third prime number equal to 5. n equal to 4 is fourth prime number is 7. n equal to 5 is fifth prime number is 11. Right? Next question. Obtain a2, a3, a4 for the following sequence. In that a1 is minus 3, an is 2 into an minus 1 plus 1 for every n greater than 1. Right? And that next question is a1 equal to 1 by 2, that is given. an is 3 into an minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n for every n greater equal to 2. So we'll solve the first question and second question is for your homework. So this is for your homework. Now here in the question it is given a1 equal to minus 3. an equal to 2 into an minus 1 plus 1 for every n greater than 1. So we'll start with the value of n from 2. So n equal to 2, we get a2 equal to 2 times of a2 minus 1 plus 1. 2 times of a1 plus 1, but a1 is minus 3, so 2 into minus 3 plus 1 is minus 5. Next is n equal to 3, so a3 will be 2 times of a3 minus 1 plus 1, right? So 2 times of a3 minus 1 is what? A2, and we have a value of a2 is minus 5, so minus 5 plus 1 gives minus 9. Next is n equal to 4, a4 is 2 times of a4 minus 1 plus 1, again here we get the value as a3, so 2 times of a3 value is minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 17. So this way you solve the question number 2. So this is for your homework. Type 2. So in this we have to find the sequence formula or any term of the sequence from the given series formula. So here we are going to use the formula an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, right? So first you should know that from here we start the question. It is given Sn equal to n square minus 1, and the second question is Sn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and in both the question we have to find the first 3 term and the 10th term of the sequence, right? So here from Sn equal to n square minus 1 we'll find Sn minus 1. So what I have to do is we'll replace this n by n minus 1. So here we'll get n minus 1 the whole square minus 1. So we get n square minus 2n plus 1 minus 1 is what? It is n square minus 2n. Now make use of this formula, right? So here we'll write an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. What is Sn? It is, from the question it is given n square minus 1, and we have found the value of Sn minus 1 is what? It is n square minus 2n. Substitute, so we get an equal to 2n minus 1. Now we have to find the first 3 terms, so we'll write a1 as s1, so we get 0. Here we'll keep, right, a2 as 2 into 2 minus 1, so we get 3. Then a3 as 2 into 3 minus 1, so we get 5. Then a10 as 2 into 10 minus 1 is 19. And here s1, a1 is what? a1 will be 2 into 1 minus 1, so we get the answer as 1. Now same way you solve question number 2, this as a homework. Next, from the following formula of the series Sna, obtain the formula of its corresponding sequence. Sn is given as a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is not equal to 1, a is not equal to 0. So first we'll calculate Sn minus 1. So where you find n, you replace by n minus 1. So we get a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Use this formula, an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. What is Sn? That is given, and Sn minus 1 we have found. So the substitute, we'll take a upon r minus 1 common. In bracket we are left with r raised to n minus 1 minus r raised to n minus 1 plus 1. So we'll take r raised to n minus 1 common. So in the bracket we are left with r minus 1, that has been cancelled with the denominator term, and we get a into r raised to n minus 1. Right? Now next question is Sn is given as 4 into 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 1. And so first we'll calculate Sn minus 1. So 4, 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 2. Right? So an is what? It is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 2. Right? Take 4 common. So in bracket we'll get 1 minus 3 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 3 raised to n minus 2. Taking minus 3 raised to n minus 2 common, in bracket we get 1 minus 3. So 16 minus 3 raised to n minus 2. Now type 3. In this we have to find any term of AP from given AP. So first question is to find the desired term in the following AP. 16th term in minus 17, minus 13, minus 9. Also find the 43rd term. So first is Tn, we have a formula, or we will write An also, you can take An also, is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to find the 16th term, so we will replace this n by 16, so we get minus 17. Minus 70 is the first term of the sequence, right? So minus 17 plus 16 minus 1 into 4, minus 17 plus 60 is 43. right? Now we'll find the 43 term. So minus 17 plus 43 minus 1 into 4, we get the answer as minus 17 plus 168 is 151. Now next question, we have to find the 31st term in the sequence 101, 96, 91 and so on. So A is what? It is 101 and D will be what? It is T2 minus T1. So 96 minus 101 will give minus 5. So Tn is what? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. So 101 plus 31 minus 1 into minus 5. So 101 minus 150, we get the answer as minus 49. Type 4, we have to find AP if the 12th term is 64 and 20th term is 112. So we have to find the sequence of AP. So T12 is 64. You can use the notation A12 also, right? And T20 is 112, right? So here if I apply the formula, we have a formula that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we get A plus 11D equal to 64. A plus 19D equal to 112. Doing elimination method, we get minus 8D equal to minus 48. So D equal to 6. Now you substitute the value of D in any of this equation. Suppose we substitute in this equation, so we get A plus 11D. In place of D, we'll write 6 equal to 64. So A equal to 64 minus 66. So we get the answer is minus 2, right? Now, the sequence is, we know the sequence starts with A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. So A is minus 2. A is what? It is minus 2 and D is 6, so we get 4. Then minus 2 plus 2 into 6, we get 10 and so on. Next question. Next question is, if the 10th term of AP is 1 by 20 and 20th term is 110, 1 by 10, again, if the 10th term of AP is 1 upon 20 and 20th term is 1 by 10, find the 200th term. Right? So we'll start with this as T10 is 1 by 20, T20 is 1 by 10. So you substitute A plus 9D using a formula A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 1 by 20, A plus 19D equal to 1 by 10. Elimination method, so we get minus 10D equal to minus 1 by 20. So D equal to 1 by 200. Now A plus 9D equal to 1 by 20. So A plus 9 into 1 by 200 equal to 1 by 20. So A equal to 1 by 20 minus 9 by 200. So we get 1 by 200. Right? So now we'll substitute because we have to find the T200 term. So 1 by 200 A plus 200 minus 1 n minus 1 into 1 by 200, we get 1 upon 200 plus 199 upon 200 is 200 upon 200, that is 1. Next question, type 5, to find the sum of certain term of AP. So for AP, we have a sequence minus 19, minus 16, minus 13, minus 10. So find the 14th term and the sum of the first 14th term. Right? So A is what? It is minus 19. D is T2 minus T1. So minus 16 plus 19 is minus 3. 19 minus 16 is 3. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Minus 19 plus 14 minus 1 into 3. Minus 19 plus 39 is 20. So Sn is what? It is n by 2 into A plus L. S14 is 14 by 2 into minus 19 plus 20. So here we get 1. Right? So and if you cancel here, we get 7. 7 into 1 is 7. So S14 is 7. Next question is, find the sum of all the natural number lying between 100 and 500 which are divisible by 5. So we know that the number lying between 100 and 500 which are divisible by 5 are 105, 110, 115 till 495. Right? So we know the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 495 equal to 105 plus n minus 1 into D. D is what? 5. So 495 minus 105 divided by 5 gives n minus 1. 78 equal to n minus 1. 79 equal to n. Now Sn, we know the formula n by 2 into A plus L. 79 by 2 into 105 plus 495. So 79 by 2 into 600 gives 2300 and 700. So we get this S79 as 23700. Next question is find the sum of all the integers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 2 but not by 5. Right? So we will write the integers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 2. So by divisible by 2 we get 100, 102, 104 and 200. So Tn is what? It is a plus n minus 1 into d. So 200 equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 2. Solving we get 200 minus 100 divided by 2 is n minus 1. 50 equal to n minus 1. N equal to 51. Sn is what? It is 51 by 2 into 100 plus 200. 51 by 2 into 300 is 7650. Now, in 100, 102, 104 till 200, the integers which are divisible by 5 are 100, 110, 120 till 200. So we will find Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into d. 200 minus 100 divided by 10 is n minus 1. N equal to 11. So Sn is what? It is n by 2 into a plus l. 11 by 2 into 100 plus 200. So we get 1650. So we'll subtract the integers which are divisible by 2 minus the integers which are divisible by 5. So we'll write 7650 minus 1650, we get 6000. Next type is type 6 to find the ratios of Tn from Sn of the two APs. So in that question is if the ratio of the sum of first term of two APs is 3n minus 13 ratio with 5n minus 1. For all n belongs to n, find the ratios of the 13th term. Right? So Sn upon S dash of n is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon n by 2 into 2a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash equal to 3n minus 13 upon 5n minus 1. So we get n by 2 cancel. So we get 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon 2a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash equal to 3n minus 13 upon 5n minus 1, equation 1. Now, where we know that Tn will be what? It is a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn dash will be a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash. So Tn upon t dash equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash. We have to take for 13th term. So a plus 13 minus 1 into d upon a dash plus 13 minus 1 into d dash, a plus 12d upon a dash plus 12d d dash. Now we'll take the value of n as 25 in equation number 1. This, right? So we get a plus 25 minus 1 into d into 2a dash plus 25 minus 1 into d dash equal to 3 into 25 minus 13 upon 5 into 25 minus 1. Solve this. So we get 75 minus 13 upon 125 minus 1, 62 upon 124. Right? So we'll substitute this from the equation 2. We get T13 upon T dash 13 as 1 by 2. Now the word problem for AP. 200 wooden blocks are stacked in such a way that 20 blocks are in the bottom row, 99 the next upper row, 18 in the upper next row to 8, and the process continues. How many rows of wooden block in the uppermost row? So here Sn is what? It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So 400 equal to n into 40 minus 1 plus 1. 400 equal to n into 41 minus n. 400 equal to 41n minus n square. So you get a quadratic equation n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Factorizing we get n minus 25 into n minus 16 equal to 0. So from here we get n equal to 25, which is impossible. So we'll take the value of n as 16. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. T16 is 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1. So T16 is 20 minus 15 as 5. Next question is find the. So now this question is from your textbook. in which the first installment is rupees 100, second installment is rupees 105, and so on. So the sequence will be 100, 105, 110. First term is 100, common difference is 5. So 830 is A plus 30 minus 1 to D. 100 plus 29 into 5, 100 plus 145 is 245. Hence, the amount paid in the 30th installment is 245. Next question is, the angle of the polygon will form AP with the common difference D as 5 degree and the first term as 120. It is known that the sum of all the angles of polygon with n side is 180 into n minus 2. So Sn is 180 into n minus 2. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 180 n minus 360. Right? A is what? It is 120 and d is 5. So n into 240 plus 5n minus 5 equal to 360n minus 720. So we get 235n plus 5n square equal to 360n minus 720. So we get a quadratic equation 5n square minus 125n plus 720 equal to 0. N square minus 25n plus 144 equal to 0. So n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 equal to 0. Take n common, n minus 16 minus n into n minus 16 equal to 0. N minus 9 into n minus 16 equal to 0. So n equal to 9 or 16. So the number of the side of the polygon is 9 or 16.